Hi, this is Swapnil. Today I'm recording a demo video for a Gitcoin contest for the Harmony blockchain. This Gitcoin contest was for One World. It's called Geospatial NFT Marketplace. Geospatial NFT Marketplace is an idea where there's a marketplace for different locations of the world, and you can buy these locations as an NFT, and you're permanently like the owner of this location on the blockchain. So the idea is to like own a part of planet Earth, which is like something interesting that I found. So to proceed with the demo, you need to, if you want to play with the demo yourself, you need to go to this website called worldnft.vercel.app, and you need to be using a Brave browser or Chrome browser, and you need to install MetaMask. Once you install MetaMask, you need to connect to the Harmony testnet. Harmony is a similar blockchain similar to Ethereum, but it has like faster transactions and lower gas fees. So in order to connect to the Harmony testnet, what you need to do is you need to create a custom RPC which will connect to a new RPC testnet, and you need to set the URL here for the Harmony blockchain. You need to set the chain ID and the symbol for one block explorer if you want, and the network name is Harmony testnet. So once you are set up with this network, you can just it will automatically create a new account for it, or the current account, testnet account that you have. And in order to use and play around in this app, you need to have some one tokens. Initially you'll have like 0 1 tokens, and in order to get this one tokens, you could use like a faucet app. Just Google search how to get one test tokens, and you can get like free one tokens. These are fake one tokens that you can get. So once you uh, have these tokens and you refresh the page, you can see that you're now connected to this blockchain app. It's a decentralized app. So then hit. So in this app, currently you can only buy cities, but in the future there are plans to buy like country, landmarks, locations, restaurants, coffee shops, and the possibilities for this app is endless. So let's start with the demo. So you need to hit explore. Once you're connected, you'll see that you'll get all the loaded NFTs that have been already been minted on the blockchain. So currently there are like 10 cities that you can buy. So let's say I want to buy Cape Town. So you click on Cape Town, and you can see like this is available to buy, and the current price is 2 1 tokens. So you can check in if you have the 1 tokens that you need in your account, and then just hit buy. And as soon as you hit buy, they'll spend some gas fees and the 2 1 tokens, and the transaction is being confirmed on the blockchain. And once it's done, now you're the owner of this NFT basically. So what you can do once you own this NFT is you can put it for auction. So you can see now it's not for sale. So if like some other so let's say I'll open another tab and connect it with another account that I created for Harmony. So I'll select this account which has like 167 tokens in it, and you can see the end is 2BBB. So once you hit refresh, now you're connected with this other account, and you can see you can like do the same thing, like explore the marketplace, and you can see like New York is currently 5 1, which is owned by me, this account, and you can start an auction, or you can go back to the Cape Town, and which you can see is not for sale. So that means this owner hasn't started the auction yet. So what I'll do is I'll go back to this account, which is now this account, and then I'll start the auction. Let's say I'll start an auction for 5 minutes. So it's because I loaded into that other account. So let me go back to the first one. So let me start the auction. So start it for 5 minutes. So start the auction. We'll again confirm onto the blockchain. So this NFT, what currently the only thing it has is like a name, location, latitude, longitude, and an SVG image that you can see here, and all of this is recorded on the blockchain. So now I started the auction. It will go on for 5 minutes, and I'll wait for like bids from other accounts, and as soon as the auction time ends, I can end the auction and transfer my NFT. And you can see like this bid log currently empty. It will have like logs of all the bids that I get for this NFT. So now I go back to the other account to bid on this. So go back here, refresh. So now I'm logged in as this account. I can place a bid. So I'll place a bid for 5 1 tokens. Hit confirm. So it's still waiting for the confirmation. Now I have recorded my bid as 5 tokens and I'm the highest bidder. So let's try something else. I'll go to some other account, this one, which is not connected. I'll connect, and now I'll try to outbid the other account. So I'll say 7 1 tokens for this one. Hit confirm. So now I'm the highest bidder and this guy lost his bid. So maybe this guy sees, so now I log in as the other account, and I see that my bid has been lost. So what I'll do is I'll check if I have the 1 tokens, and then I'll bid for 10 to again outbid him. So now 10 1 tokens have been added to the contract. So now as soon as this auction ends, the original account, this one, would get 10 1 tokens, and this account would be the new owner of Cape Town. So I'll wait until the auction ends and explore some other tokens. So I'll go to Melbourne. I can buy Melbourne if I want. Dubai, Paris, San Francisco, Tel Aviv. So say I'll buy this one, confirm. So I have so now I'm the owner of this. I can start an auction for 1 hour. So the auction has started for 1 hour and I haven't received bids yet. So let's see how long is the auction. So it was Cape Town. Currently there's 19 seconds, so the auction will be ending soon. So let's log in with the auction owner, which was account 1, and refresh. So now I'll wait until this auction ends, and you can see now I have 69 1 tokens, right? So now the auction has ended. I have to click end auction in order to do the transfer. So currently this is the owner, and then this guy wins the bid, so he will be the new owner. He'll lose 10 tokens from his account, and those tokens will be transferred to me, and the NFT will be transferred to him. So let's end auction, confirm. So every transaction has a slight gas fee, so you need to remember that. Now the current price has been changed to 10 ones. The owner has been changed here. The owner hasn't put it for auction yet, and you can see I got 79 new 1 tokens for it. So this is how the simple marketplace has been developed for the Harmony blockchain. And as I said, the Harmony blockchain is a bit it's better than the Ethereum blockchain because it has faster transactions, less gas fees, and it is much better to play this kind of fun games on it, I think, and develop more Web3 applications for it. So hopefully you get to try this. Go to this URL and try it out yourself. You can get free tokens and play around with it, and uh, let me know if you have any questions. I have also put in the demo instructions in the about section, and you can check out the code at GitHub World NFT. And if you have any questions, just email to me, and if any feedback is welcome. So hope you enjoyed this demo and have a good day. Thank you.